What's the best way to leverage Venmo as a young user while actually building a strong financial future? I think a lot of us, especially younger people, use Venmo for quick, easy peer-to-peer payments, splitting a dinner check, paying rent, sending cash for that concert ticket. But I've been digging into the broader Venmo card ecosystem, and honestly, the options are surprisingly solid, especially for building credit or just getting straight cash back on your actual spending. Let's break down the two main options, the Venmo Teen Account and Debit Card and the Venmo Credit Card. The Venmo Teen Account and Debit Card. If you're under 18, specifically 13 to 17, this is your entry point. This is a debit card, so you're spending your own money, which is a key difference from a credit card. My take on it, this is a fantastic financial tool for first-timers. It's $0 to maintain, and it comes with a physical card and access to the Venmo app. The best part? Parental supervision and controls. Your parent or legal guardian has to set it up, and they can monitor transactions, lock the card, and send you money instantly. It makes allowance and part-time job money super manageable and transparent. The downside is that since it's a debit card, you're not building credit history yet, but you are learning critical money management skills. The Venmo Credit Card. This is for when you're 18 plus and ready for your first, or one of your first, credit cards. It's a Visa signature card, and what makes it shine is the automatic, tiered cashback system. My take on it, I love that there's no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. That's a huge win for a first card. But the reward structure is what sold me. It automatically gives you the highest cash back on your top spending categories each month. How the rewards work, you earn 3% cash back on your top spending category, 2% cash back on your second highest spending category, 1% cash back on everything else. The eligible categories are broad, things like dining, groceries, bills and utilities, and travel. This is perfect because, as a young user, your spending changes a lot. One month you might spend the most on dining, the next, it might be bills. This card adapts without you having to mess with rotating calendars or activation. Cashback redemption. Your cashback gets deposited directly into your Venmo balance. From there, you can easily transfer it to your bank, use it to pay off your credit card bill, or, if you're into it, you can even set it up to automatically buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum with your rewards, fee-free. The straight talk, which is best? If you are under 18, the Venmo Teen Account is the clear and safe choice. It provides the foundation of digital spending, parent monitoring, and a hands-on way to manage a balance. If you are 18 plus and building credit, the Venmo Credit Card is a top-tier contender for a no annual fee card. Its adaptive 3% cashback structure means you don't miss out on rewards, and the full Venmo app integration makes tracking your spending and paying your bill ridiculously easy. Ultimately, both options are built for the modern, Venmo-savvy user. The key, as with any card, is to use it responsibly. Pay your credit card bill on time and in full every month. That's the real best strategy for young users, no matter which card you pick. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.